Hello, my name is Tyler Edlin. Creating new and exciting fantasy worlds is a huge passion of mine. All my ideas start in the notebooks, both digital and physical. I go from kind of quick memos and sketches to ideas I kind of come up with on the fly, and I take those, when I can, to full concept paintings and illustrations. I enjoy creating characters, locations, and even the props. And this is what I do daily as a freelance artist and for myself, as a discipline. And so this is how my personal project came to be, really. I'm just melting down all the inspiration I've built up over the many years playing my favorite fantasy games, and I'm forging it into the world of Thunderfall. First with the world, then the factions and the colonies, and finally all the characters that make up these components. And while it's true I don't know what will ultimately become of this, for now it's just a way of me focusing my creative energy and hopefully creating something fun for everybody. And so, for my first world-building design workshop, I cover many topics and provide a personal insight on how I create these worlds. This will be a step-by-step scene-building walkthrough, from the initial thumbnail sketches to the final details. And this also includes how I think about composition and design elements to build a scene through the use of atmosphere. I'll be using Photoshop and Google SketchUp to construct a mock-up in which I'll add lighting for the final scene. Then I'll move on to painting the broad strokes using building the mood and the values. Finally, I demonstrate how I meticulously paint all the little details, bringing the scene to life and adding a personality to it. If you feel this is something that may interest you and improve your current skill set in any way, please use the link below to find the tutorial. Thank you again for all your feedback and support. Let's get to creating.